Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be introducing the ARISTOS HOME Anti-Theft Smart Delivery Dropbox. Without further ado, let's open it up and see what we've got. This is the upper flip cover. You can put that right there. Here's the first box of installation accessories. You can see that everything is included. That's the first box. And here is the second box. This is the keypad and other related accessories. Okay, so what we're looking at here is the other part of the upper flip cover. Here's the front side, another side, underneath. So now let's look at this product's Dropbox door. As you can see, and here, it's very sturdy. So this is the front side. Now let's look at the back. The product comes with two instructional materials. This first one that I'm holding is the assembly guide. This will tell you how to install it, whether it's on the wall or on the ground. The next material that it includes is a user guide. This will tell you how to successfully operate the product. So now let's start to install it. First we have to put in the bottom plate. It'll slide right into place. Just make sure it lines up with the channels on the left and right side. So now let's finish installing the bottom plate. All you need to do is put in these 4 screws. Now, one quick thing that I want to mention is that you don't need to remove these 2 small components from the screw. Just put the screw in like that and you're good to go. So next, we want to install the padding. All you have to do is place it in here like this. Press it firmly against the bottom. You're good to go. If you're going to install the product upright, then you need to remember to put in these 5 feet. So now let's install those. All you have to do is install them like this. It's very easy. So now we have to install the keypad. And to do that, all we have to do is take 4 AA batteries, which are sold separately, and put them inside. First, let's do that. Next up, we have to actually put it into the product. There we go. Next up, we have to install the screws that come with it. So the final step of installing the keypad after you've installed all of the 4 screws is to just put this plate on the keypad cover. So now let's install the inner left and right brackets. Remember to use the A-type screws. So now let's install the front door. All you have to do is line the peg on the bottom left-hand side of the front door up with the hole that's also on the bottom. So now that's inside. And then next, all we have to do is push down on this, push the door in, release this lever, and there we go. So for the second part of installing the front door, all you have to do is pull down on this component, push in the door, release the component, and slowly ease it into this top area right here. Then once that is complete, we'll be able to do this. So now, for this step, we're going to install this plate. For this step, we want to use the B screws. So first, we want to line these 3 screw holes up with the corresponding screw holes inside. So we'll put that inside, just like that, and we're all good to go. So the next step is to install the D-style screws. We'll install those on the front-hand side. So next, let's place the anti-dust strip. What you have to first do is remove this white portion and then slowly put it onto the front cover. Make sure you cover all the screws. Just like that. Then press down firmly to make sure it sticks. So next, let's install the front panel. All we have to do is insert it here. So for this step, you might have to push this metal wall out just a little bit so that it will go on this portion. So let's do that now. Then you want to line it up and you'll hear sort of a clicking sound, just like this. The final step of installing the upper flip cover is using the last of our two A-style screws. So now let's put those in. So this is the device that you can place inside the Dropbox that will help disinfect all of the packages that go inside. On the left-hand side is where you'll put 4 AA batteries that you have to purchase separately. On the right-hand side, this is where you'll put the disinfectant liquid. Once you've inserted the disinfecting device, now you have to lock it into place. To do that, all you have to do is push these 2 buttons inside. So now the product is fully installed, let's look at some of its features. The internal plate helps prevent the thievery of medium and large-sized objects. The ARISTOS Home anti-theft Dropbox includes a free app that you can use to remotely unlock this door, to receive notifications about, for example, when there's low power or if someone enters in the wrong passcode, and more. In addition to being made of very durable SPCC metal, the ARISTOS Home anti-theft Dropbox is also waterproof. The Dropbox also features a disinfectant module. Every time the Dropbox is opened and closed, it can disinfect packages. So that's all for now about the ARISTOS Home anti-theft Dropbox. But if you want any more information, be sure to check out the description below for information about specifications and other features. Thanks again for watching this video and for your continued support. Get one today for your family, your friends, or for yourself.